1.4, positive and negative integers. An integer is a whole number, can be positive or negative, page 17. And this is working at grade G. I think I've done some negative numbers under Unit 1 because they appeared there. Again, there'll be a lot of overlap between Unit 1 and Unit 2 because Unit 1 was numbers and statistics. This unit is called numbers and algebra, and the final unit will be called algebras and geometry, something like that. Anyway, so this is numbers again, and the great way to teach this stuff is to talk about positive and negative numbers being sort of temperatures. Everyone understands that minus 10 is a lot colder than minus 2, which is colder than 5 degrees, say. So the more negative you go, the colder it is, the smaller the number, the lower the number. So I'm going to go straight into question 3a. I won't do a lot of this because it's really old stuff and it's you know what we're doing. So put these numbers in order, smallest first. So I've got plus 6, which is obviously positive 6. I've got minus 8. I'm just writing out the question now. Plus 5, plus 1, plus 9, minus 4, and minus 3. Right, in order, smallest first. Right, the smallest is the one that's the most negative. Well, minus 8 is lower than that, right, and lower than minus 3. So we'll write that first, shall we? So first of all, I've got minus 8. Who's the next minus along? Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3 because it comes before it as you rise up towards 0. So minus 8, minus 4, get rid of it. Minus 3, get rid of it. So after minus 3, go minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Right, positive 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is next. 6 is next. 7, 8, 9. 9 is next, and we've done the question and we've got ourselves a wonderful grade G. Okay, now this is a little bit more tricky. Let's just go to blue. Let's hope blue shows up on blue. I've got to put in the less than sign, the bigger than sign, or an equal sign for these little sums here. So here I go. I'm on 6a. It says minus 5 something minus 8. Is it less than, bigger than, or equal to? It's obviously not equal to. Is minus 5 less than minus 8? No, it's less negative than minus 8. Therefore, it must be bigger than it. Alright, so that is bigger, that's less, and that's equals. Alright, next one. I've got here minus 4 something minus 3. Is minus 4 bigger than minus 3? No, it's not. It's less than minus 3 because it's further down from 0, isn't it? Next one. I've got minus 5 something 2. Is minus 5 bigger than 2? Less than 2? It's not equal to 2, is it? So minus 5 is definitely less than 2. Alright? Next one. 7 splurge minus 7. Is 7 equal to minus 7? No, they're different numbers. Is 7 less than minus 7? No, 7's above 0. Minus 7 is below 0. So 7 is definitely greater than minus 7. And finally, I'll put it down here. I've got minus 9 something 9. Well, is minus 9 equal to 9? No, they're different numbers. Is minus 9 bigger than 9? No, it's more negative. So actually, minus 9 is smaller than positive 9. Alright, what's left? If I do section 1.5 as well, then we can absolutely nail it and move on to 1.6 in due course. Now, I'll just read you a couple, really show how easy they are. Up to grade F now. Wow. The temperature is minus 3. It rises by 4. What's the new temperature? Well, let's just change page. The temperature is minus 3. This is page 18, question 1a. The temperature is minus 3 and it rises by 4 degrees. Where are we now? Well, minus 3, climb up 4, put you onto 1. That becomes 1 degree. So think about it. You've got yourself a little thermometer affair there. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So start from minus 3, climb up that little line there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. We've jumped up 4 degrees. Puts us on positive 1 degree C. Is that alright? You don't have to use a number line all the time, but you can if you want to. Next one, the temperature is minus 7 and we want to rise by 2 degrees. Essentially, we need to add on 2. So minus 5, if we make it into a proper sum now, minus 5, go up 2, sorry, minus 7, go up 2, will give us minus 5. See, we're getting nearer to 0. We were at minus 7. We got 2 degrees warmer, so we're only minus 5 below 0 as opposed to minus 7 below 0. So we don't have to wrap up quite so much. Next one, I've got 1 degree and it falls by 4 degrees C. So it's 1 take away 4 puts into minus 3 below 0. Last one, I've got minus 2 and it falls by 3 degrees. That's another minus 3. So minus 2, now go down another 3 degrees, puts you on minus 5. Question 2 is exactly the same as question 1, but there's no degrees to help you think in terms of hot and cold, but it's exactly the same mathematics. Right, I fancy question 5. We have some directed numbers here. So I've got 4 plus minus 1. Well, 4 plus 1 is 5, but 4 plus minus 1 coming in the other direction, we're down to 3, because the minus wins. So 4 add on a negative 1 gives you 3. Same way, 4 add on a negative 2. Well, that's like saying 4 minus 2. 4 take away 2 is 2. Now, what about 4 take away minus 1? Well, you may recall that a minus minus clash in the middle like that becomes plus, so we're actually saying 4 plus 1, and we know that's 5. Similarly, 4 take away negative 3, that becomes positive. 4 plus 3, we've got 7. A couple of these horrible little things, we've got to find the missing number. Here we go. Question 6, I think I'll do 6D. I've got minus 1 plus something makes minus 4. Now, if I'm on minus 1, I want to end up on minus 4, I've got to go further down, haven't I? How much do I go down? Another 3. So it's minus 1, add on a minus 3. So let me rewrite it. Minus 1, take away another 3, will take me down to minus 4. And it makes sense. I think I'll do one more. I'll make it fit here, I think. I've got minus 1, take away something, makes minus 6. Now, negative 1, I want to go down by another 5 steps. So let's think about this. Minus 1, take away another 5, goes down further, takes us to minus 6. So here it is, minus 1, take away 5 is minus 6. Okay, what's this? We've got a simple sequence with negative numbers. Let's just turn over and nail that one, then we'll be fine. Here it goes. I've got minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, minus 2, write down the next 3. Well, what's happening in each case? Well, I'm going down by 3, I'm going down by 3. Oh, sorry, I'm adding 3. I'm adding 3. So minus 11 plus 3 is minus 8. Add another 3, minus 5. Add another 3 is going to be minus 2. And now we've got to go minus 2 plus 3. Let's change colour to get our answer. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now it's really easy and I'm really happy now. 4 plus 3 is 7. So there you go. See, I made a mistake, didn't I? Never mind. Right, that's that one done.